Hello, this is Cara. I am back with a freebie and a make using the new purple palette junk journal kit. It is currently in the shop. If you receive the newsletter, there is a discount code. What else? I think that's it. So yeah. So purple is out this week, and next week we have charcoal. Yay! Do you want to see a little sneak peek of charcoal? Let me see if I can grab it. Little sneak peek of charcoal coming Monday. Alright, so let's take a look at the freebie. And I might use some of the kit, we'll see. The freebie kind of has everything you need, but we'll see. So it is 3 tags. I'm going to make a trifold. Lots of fun goodies on here. I just love this button card. And then on the back, I printed the collage sheet from the purple palette, so I have that on the back. Alright, and I did print it on cardstock, so it's a bit thicker. I'm going to go cut this out, and I'll be back. Okay, my pieces are cut, and like I said, I'm going to make this a trifold tag, so I pulled out some washi. This is Simple Stories purple washi, based on my, what was it called? The Cool Palette, no, Cool something kit. Anyway, kind of fun. And Simple Stories made washi that coordinated with those papers. So I think I'm going to use that for to attach my tags. So let's see. So this is going to fold like this and like this. Do we want something different when you open it? No decisions. I think I'm going to keep it like that. Alright. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm going to flip this over and attach my washi to the back. Keep a little bit. Do I want it this way? Yeah, I'm going to try it. Look at this. I'm going to add a little glue stick to it. Oops, and I want my tag lined up. And then another piece. On Friday, I'm going to be doing another live, and I'm very excited. I'm going to start a new kind of series with the palette kits. I'm going to take one color, so on Friday it will be purple, and I'm going to make 2 different, I think on Friday I'm going to start with tags. I'm going to make 2 tags in 2 different styles. And I think on Friday I'm going to do 1 Halloween and 1 spring. I think that'll be fun. And I got the idea from a YouTuber who did a similar thing with Tim Holtz. She made cards though, and I will link her video below if you're interested in kind of seeing what the idea is for Friday's live. This one, whoops, is going to be earlier in the morning Pacific time, because I just found out my son has a half day. So it'll probably be like at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, so no, this is not lined up. Let's try this again. And I'm ripping. So it just might stay like that, so it's a little off. You want to make sure your bottoms are lined up. All right. fold and that will fold. Looks good. I think this would make a cute pocket. So I'm going to add that back here. Close that one up. And glue. We'll use this glue. So I posted in the walkthrough, I asked if anyone would be interested in an additional tag kit, and quite a few of you said yes. And then I might put this in the pocket. I think that'd be cute. I was also thinking, I don't know if you remember or you've been around, but I did a bunch of tag kits and they went in tag boxes that I made on my laser. And I thought, ooh, that'd be kind of fun. And then I'm trying to decide, do I do one per color? Oh, I'm shedding, yuck. Do I do one per color? Or, sorry, thinking, do I want her? I think I want to cover that. All right, so do I do one per color? Or do I do like a rainbow of all of the colors in a tag box? I don't know. I think either would be kind of fun. I think I'll put this here. I need something. I need to stamp something though. And then maybe the butterfly there. So that's there. What else? What else do I want? Let's see. Well, she might be kind of fun. Or, all right, I have in the palette kit, there's 4 sizes of ephemera. This, I think, is the medium size, and then there's also the ephemera, like, more rectangle type of ephemera, not so much fussy cuts. Okay, I'm going to cut a few of these out and be back again. Okay, I cut a few more pieces out, and let's see. I think I want her here. And then we can add some labels. This. And then maybe that. And then, well, let's do the front. I think with this. Label and a butterfly? I think so. Oops. Guess I should glue this one on. I'm going to keep this one stuck to my thumb. There we go. And let's do the butterfly. And a label. Oops. Try it out. I think I need something to stamp in my labels. I'll be right back. Okay, on this one, oh my gosh, I'm gonna miss. I'm going to do this number 13. Oh man, that wasn't so great. Luckily I have 2. Let's try this again. Alright, that's a little bit better. It's hard because it's lower on the square or the rectangle than I thought. Put that back. And then on this one, I'm going to use Love This on this right here. And that is an Elizabeth Craft stamp. Let's hope I do a better job. A little bit. I'm telling you, me and stamping. Oof. You think it wouldn't be so bad, but man, I struggle. Okay, I'm gonna put those away later. Put that up there. So it's Love This. Not totally committing. Do I? Do I love it? I don't really know. It's 50-50. You're not going to let me stick it under there now that I glued it on. A little bit like that. And I'm going to trim that off. Little glue. Okay, and then I'm going to put this right here. So that's a tag, and then we have these pieces. I love thread spool. I think it's really fun. And a little flower, a little butterfly, and some purple raspberries, if there's such a thing. There it is. When you have Photoshop. This one is little ink. And then I'm just going to put this guy back here. There we go. Our trifold using the purple palette and this fun freebie, which you can grab in my coffee shop. There's the front. And then it opens. And then it opens. There we go. Of course, you can continue to embellish and add ribbon or lace. You can keep adding to it, but for now, I think I'm just going to make a simple version so you get an idea, and then you can do whatever. You can even just make separate tags. All right. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you enjoyed this video or this make or both, consider subscribing. That would be wonderful. Give the video a thumbs up. That helps. And a comment really helps the algorithm know that you are digging these videos. Okay. Have a great day. And I'll see you on Friday at the live. Bye-bye.